Hi, welcome to this edition of PMD Automation Insights. Today, we're diving into the seamless integration between Airtable and Notion, ensuring data synchronization in both directions. Now, imagine your company offering a platform for service providers. Businesses approach you to feature their services on your platform. As you can see, we have pre-populated some test data into Airtable. Also, the beauty of Airtable lies in its ability to also generate a user-friendly form, allowing businesses to effortlessly submit their offerings. Take, for instance, our demo on grocery delivery. It's not on Airtable yet, but with a simple submission, it's instantly added. Okay, so as you can see, it's not in Airtable right now, so let's go ahead and submit it. Now, as we can see, it is already there. Once added, you have the flexibility to modify any details as needed. Now let's transition over to Notion. We've set up a structured database to capture any key detail for this demo. But as of right now, as you can see, there's no data from Airtable. By activating the make.com webhook, data from Airtable begins to synchronize in real time. So go ahead and click on Sync from Airtable. We see it was accepted, and we can see it's starting to populate. We'll give it a little bit of time here for it to finish populating all the data. So we can see it has even populated the most recent one that we added from the form. So let's head back over to Airtable. Any modifications or changes you make in Airtable will be synced into Notion as well. So let's go ahead and try that. So let's say we wanted to change the price here from $54 to $100. Let's change it actually to $150. So it's different from the one above. So we've already updated it. So let's go ahead and head back to Notion and sync from Airtable. Now we'll wait a little bit. And just like that, it updated the data of the price to $150. Now, you can also do this from Notion, right? Let's say we wanted to change the service name. So we'll change this to Jane Doe's Grocery Delivery, right? So instead of us hitting the first one, we're going to go ahead and sync it actually to Airtable. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Looks like this one was accepted as well. So let's go ahead and go back to Airtable. And as we can see, it syncs it right away. This demonstration barely scratches the surface of the automation possibilities available. Such integrations not only streamlines operations, but also translates to significant time and cost savings. Interested in optimizing your business process? Contact us at PowerMoves for a complimentary consultation. Until our next insight, stay empowered.